Hello guys, hello guys. Look what I have here, a tray of small chops. We have the spring roll, we have the puff puffs, we have the chicken. Let me go ahead and open it up so you guys can see it clearly. So open it from here. See this, the spring roll. Let me open it up completely so you guys can see it properly. Oh, it's massive. It is a whole lot. Wow, I didn't know it was going to be this big. Honestly, I didn't know it was going to be this big. Yep. We have it opened up now. So I'm going to bring it closer to you guys so you guys can see it. See the grilled chicken by this side. Look. Samosa. No, sorry, spring roll. Samosa. The grilled chicken. Wow. The drumstick. Yeah, that was for the thumbnail. Puff puffs. Tastes amazing. Tastes amazing. Definitely tastes amazing. Let's taste the spring roll. Listen to the crunch. Let's try the samosa. Listen for the crunch. Amazing. Puff puff. Which one do you guys prefer in small chops? You prefer the spring roll, samosa, puff puff? Most of you will prefer the chicken, I'm sure about that. Listen. Amazing. I don't think I can finish all this. Let's keep going. Let's try the chicken. Let's see.